In this video, we will learn how can we use MATLAB live script. So in MATLAB, this is a live script, and like how we can run MATLAB complete live script by running this by clicking on run command. And if we have different section like x is equal to y, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4, y is equal to x over 2. This is our one script. And if we want to spread the script, like we can uh, spread by clicking on section break. So this will be one uh, script, and other will be here like fact y is equal to x multiply z is equal to x multiply y. If we want to run both together, first of all we can run together. If we want to run both separate, we have to click on run section. So this will only run this one section only. And if you want to other section, we want to run other section, we click on this and then run section. So this is the way how can we use MATLAB live script to do our calculation, to do our work. Thank you so much for watching this video.